As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two grills, the Bighorn Outdoors Infrared Grill and the Bull Steer Grill. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I saw those. The Bighorn one is definitely interesting, especially with that 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit infrared burner. Sounds like it sears steaks really fast.
Exactly. It boasts 19,000 BTUs. The Bull Steer, on the other hand, has 3 burners, each putting out 15,000 BTUs. So a total of 45,000 BTUs. Does that make a difference?
Well, it depends on what you're cooking. The Bighorn is really focused on that high heat searing. The Bull Steer, with its 3 burners, gives you more even heat across a larger cooking surface, 564 SQN, versus the Bighorn's 143 SQN.
Good point about the cooking area. I hadn't really noticed that. The Bighorn is smaller overall, at 16 DX 21.5 inches, WX 15.4 inches H, making it more portable, right?
Definitely. The Bull Steer is bigger at 24.13 DX 26.63, WX 21.25 H, and meant to be more of a built-in or cart setup. Another difference is that the Bighorn uses propane, while the Bull Steer is a natural gas grill.
That's a big one. I'd have to have a natural gas line installed if I went with the Bull. The Bighorn is ready to go with a propane tank. Also, the Bighorn has a pizza stone included, and it's dishwasher safe, which is a plus.
True. The Bull is all stainless steel, though, and customers seem to appreciate its sturdy construction. It also has a warming rack.
Yeah, the reviews are pretty good for both. The Bighorn has a 4.6 rating, and people seem to love how quickly it preheats. The Bull Steer has a 4.1, and reviewers praise its temperature control and how well built it is.
It really comes down to what you're looking for. If you want super fast searing and portability, the Bighorn is great. But if you need a larger cooking area and prefer natural gas, the Bull Steer is a solid choice. Plus, the Bighorn is significantly cheaper at $199.99 compared to the Bull Steer around $1,389.
Okay, that helps a lot. Thanks for breaking it down for me. I think I need to think about what I'll mainly be grilling. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.